Ladies and gentlemen, I now request Shri Digambar Kamath, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, to kindly deliver presidential address.
Government of Goa, Dr. Amruta Patel, Chairperson of National Dairy Development Board, Dr. N.R. Bhasin, President of Indian Dairy Association, Shri Arun Patil, Chairman of Indian Dairy Association Western Zone, distinguished delegates who have come from different parts of the country and abroad, members of the press, and ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the government and on behalf of the people of Goa, I welcome you all to this beautiful state of our country, Goa, for the 37th Dairy Industries Conference on the theme Dairying for Livelihood and Growth. I am sure your stay in this beautiful state of Goa will be comfortable and you will go back with sweet memories about Goa. Goa is small and beautiful, known for its hospitality. Whoever has come to Goa has always gone back with sweet memories and with a decision that he will visit again to this state. Friends, today we have as a chief guest Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a man who had a vision during his tenure as the President of India. He dreamt about his country being the superpower by 2020. And when he dreamt about this dream, he also dreamt that if India has to be a superpower by 2020, it is the rural India which has to become superpower by 2020. And it is here this conference is going to play a very, very important role. Because we believe that it is rural India which has to progress. Just by reaching or doing development of urban India will not make our country the superpower by 2020. And that is why I suggest that this conference, which is a very, very important conference, should deliberate on making India self-sufficient in this dairy development. Can we think of a plan, long-term plan, by which India can contribute in this field? I would request Dr. Amruta Patel to give a thought of preparing a special plan for the state of Goa, so that Goa can also become a good state in this particular field and contribute to our country. Because Dr. Kalam, when he visited Goa, he also made us some suggestions. And one of the important suggestions was, why don't you link rivers to each other? I remember when I went to receive an award from him for having been selected as the best state in the health sector. Even on that day, when I received the award, he asked me one question: has your state taken steps to interlink the rivers? And I am happy to tell him today that we have already interlinked 3 rivers in the state of Goa, and the 4th river is being interlinked, taking into consideration your suggestions. I won't take much of your time. My only suggestion is this: agriculture has been the backbone of our country. Agriculture should be the backbone of the country. During the last Chief Minister's conference one day, the Chief Minister of Punjab expressed his views, saying that the younger generation in Punjab, after graduation, after education, is not taking on to agriculture. I think this is a very, very serious point which you should consider. If this is happening to Punjab, probably this may happen to all states of this country, where the younger generation may drift away from taking to the agriculture. And that is why I would suggest that this conference also discusses this particular issue. I wish this conference all the success and assure full support from the state of this Goa. Thank you. Jai Hind.